Hey friends, what's going on? It's your buddy Keith, and I am here live in Essex Recording Studios, just outside London in Southend-on-Sea, England, and we're doing an unboxing video. I just got my brand new phone. This is the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. I'm actually filming this unboxing video on my old Samsung S10 5G. So I've had this phone for a couple years. I'm super excited. All the videos you've watched the past couple years on this YouTube channel, millions of views on this YouTube channel, I've filmed all of them, save one or two, with this phone that I'm holding right now. And now we're going to get a serious upgrade, serious camera upgrade. Super psyched. And what's really cool, it's the 21st of February. Well, these were supposed to come out on the 25th of February. Some influencers have been given advanced copies to do unboxing videos, but this is the first real unboxing, just a normal guy, normal consumer, not, no relationship, no promo from Samsung, although if they want to do some promo in the future, hit me up. Our buddy Richard Rayner, who's a serious drummer, he actually stars in one of the new Samsung commercials. But let's go ahead. We've got the DPD package here. You can see there it is, addressed to me, Keith Gannon, Essex Recording Studios. Woo! Exciting stuff. Oh, and guys, thanks a lot. We're almost at 10,000 subscribers. We need like 25 people or something like that. So I think we might hit it today, tomorrow. We'll see. But if you're new, please subscribe to the channel. Really appreciate you helping us get to 10 grand. So, all right, I'm doing this all one-handed here. Woo! Okay. One-handed unboxing skills. What we got lurking in there? Epic. Ooh, okay. Everyday epic. What does it say? Starts here. Everyday epic starts here. I'm excited. All right. There we go. So one thing that I noticed is the box is pretty light. So it'll be interesting to see the difference in size and weight from these phones. Okay. There we go. So we've got the box. Little pull tab there. Any other writing? No? Okay, let's pull that pull tab. Where'd it go? Where did it go? There it is. Open. Alright, we get some ASMR here. Ta-da! Steal the night scene. Capture especially bright nighttime videos with a revolutionary nightography feature. No more grainy, shaky, or blurry footage. Thanks to sophisticated AI and a 4-nanometer processor, fill your social feed with unreal content from dusk until dawn. Like that late gig, it's all pyrotechnic glory. All right, so we've got this now. Got questions, need help. We've got that. All right, it's actually got S22 Galaxy. Look at the packaging. This is cool. Don't sleep on an exclusive offer. I know this one I bought straight from Samsung. It says you get like a year of Disney Plus for free. Smarter way to move your content. Make sure both phones are fully charged. Open the Smart Switch app. Cool. So I guess I'll be able to do that. Oh, so it's not like tissue paper. It's actually quite thick. All right. And lurking in here is my brand new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. I think this is the slimmest packaging I've seen for any of the Samsung phones I've ever had. This is really important too, so that you know what the real packaging looks like. I'll do a separate video, probably just more in depth about the authentic packaging, because guys, it's crazy how many things these days get counterfeited. But yeah, there's the texture. We're gonna break the seals. All right, there's the little info on the back there. Cool. All right, so I'll put that right there. What else do we have in here? We've got the I got the white Smart Clearview cover. It was about the only one that was available left. So we'll open that up as well. What else is hiding in here? Got some documents and stuff. Got a packing list. All right. The flip cover thing. We've got, I guess, a return label if you want to return it. Use in logistics. And what else is in here? Anything else interesting? Oh, I guess there's... Oh, that's for my... I sold them my phone. So that's to return my cell phone, my mobile phone. That's right. Cool. All right, interestingly, I'm supposed to get a special set of earbuds, and I wonder if that's going to be in here. They're like, oh, if you buy them, you get the upgraded Pro earbuds. So it'll be interesting to see if that happens. And then also, I think you're supposed to get a better, fancier charger as part of this deal. So I'll have to go look over that again. But let's go ahead and open it up. I've got a little screwdriver bit there. Actually, do I even need to? Let's see here. All right. Then there's all one-handed. I think that's cut now. And I'll do this one as well. Oh. All right. Let's see here. Might need to get something a little bit sharper. Should have thought this through a little bit better. Sorry, guys. Let's just use this pen. Pen can go through here. Man, they're really serious about the security. Can I just peel it off? No, can't even peel it off. Okay. I've got my keys. There we go. I got a lot of keys over here. Let's use a key. Cut right through that. Boom. Cut through. And cut through this one. That's cut through now. Should just slide right up. Ooh. Wow. That's nuts. It really, that's why it's the slimmest package. It just sits right there. So the phone is about, I would say, from my 5G that I'm holding it right up to it now. Yeah, it's significantly bigger from my S10 5G. Let's open that up. Okay, so we've got this, and we've got what is in here. I'm not sure what we've got in here. Looks like maybe these could be the headphones. Nope. Data cable. And some paperwork. That's it. So interestingly, no charger coming with this. I guess they expect you to already have one. It said when I bought the when I bought it in advance that one of the benefits was that you got the Pro headphones and that you got a 45-watt charger. So it's not in this box. That might come separately. I also bought another one for my wife. So it could just be coming in another shipment. But at least today, we've got our phone. Let's look at this bad boy. So I got the white one. Got the white one there. It's got a protective cover on it here. There's your super fancy camera system from the future. You've got the little, I think on the back of this is a little thing to get the SIM card out. So I'll transfer my SIM card over. Yeah, it's got a little protective thing. You can see the plastic edge there. It's got a little protective film cover there. But very, very cool metallic case. It definitely feels very sturdy, very premium. That looks like the little pinhole for the, yeah, for the SIM card there. Wants to get in focus. There we go. Very sleek. No, there it is right there. And this is the, I think the 256 gigabyte. Or did I get the 100? What did we get for this? Yeah, 256 gigabyte. There it is, upside down. And 12 gigs of RAM. And that's one of the reasons why I don't need a load of space, because we've got, like, for instance, lurking over here, we've got a massive, like 12 terabyte network drive. But I think if you get the smallest version of this, it has less RAM. I think it only has like 8 gigs of RAM. So we want to make sure we have the max. All right, well, let's go ahead and peel the little back bit off. That feels nice. Sweet. And imagine in the unboxing video if I dropped this before I got the case. Oh, what a bummer that would be. No way. Let's get that case out. So again, these are straight from the Samsung website. There we go. Case is very sleek. Huh. All right. So it kind of doesn't even matter what color you get for your background. I got white because I lose everything, and that's why I also got a white case. I don't know how dirty this will get. I'm really rough on my objects. But now this feels very light, very, very sleek. I like it. And it's just a flip case. And I'll tell you what, this part right here, for me, extremely important. I can't tell you how many times I've dropped the phone I'm holding face down. Yeah, so let's just go ahead and put that bad boy in. I know I haven't removed the plastic film on the front yet, but that's okay. Just get that in a little bit. Man, there we go. Very snug. I got all my fingerprints on there. And that's that. So now we've got the Samsung S22 Ultra in its factory Samsung case. This thing looks like $1,000,000. It looks super sleek. Totally loving it. And I think now we need to turn this bad boy on. So I'm pressing and holding that button. I've got no idea if this will power on or not. I might have to put a SIM card in. So it's not powering on yet, which I feel like every phone I've ever... Oh, there we go. Just wasn't holding it long enough. So now we've got it loading up. My greasy fingerprints. Super cool, guys. Exciting day for the YouTube channel. We're about to hit 10,000 subscribers. Probably will today or tomorrow, because the rate that people have been subscribing to help has just been going through the roof. Boom. I don't... And it's in Polish. Or is it... Okay, let's see here. I'm sure you're just supposed to guess. Yep, welcome, start. Cool. Press that. Interestingly, the languages are all the English versions of the language. Well, no, that's not true. So, English. And I will do United Kingdom, even though I've got this fabulous United States accent. Cool. Yep, we agree to everything. I mean, does anybody ever read this crap? Do you really even have an option? I'll tell you what. I don't like the diagnostic data. We'll leave that off. Permissions. Cool. So, nearby devices, used to scan. Phone. Yep. Calendar. Woo. Getting blurry there. Call logs. Cool. More. Agree. Choose a Wi-Fi network. Okay. I'm going to do my Wi-Fi. I'm moving the phone away now. So, entering our password. You can probably hear the little, boom, we're connected. Service provider set up. So I haven't put my SIM card yet in because I'm on this phone right now. Your phone needs to restart to set up features and services from your service provider. Okay, restart. How do they even know who my service provider is? I don't think I ever told them. And again, there's our packaging. Phone's restarting. There's your load screen, secured by Knox, powered by Android. We'll see what it says. That's our USB cable, USB-C. Made in Vietnam. Just a sec. Okay, you can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contacts, and more. Next. Use your old device. You need your old Android. Oh, they'll even do an iPhone or an iPad, any of it. That's cool. Next. Select a source. Well, I doubt I'll be able to film a video and do this at the same time. So we might just have to call this a wrap. We'll see what happens. What's your old device? Select a source. Galaxy. There we go. Agree. Connect. We can do it cable to cable, apparently. So I'll probably try that. Well, guys, I think that gives you a good idea of how everything's going to work out with this. You've seen the unboxing. You've seen the details of what the phone looks like. You've seen the really nice case. Oh, look at that. When you close it, it knows it's closed. So you still get to see this. You get to see your battery percentage, your time, your date. You still get to use your camera, and all your buttons function, and most importantly, your screen is nice and protected. All right, so you open it, boom, it illuminates the whole thing. Close it, bang, there you go. And that is the correct time. So let me go get this updated so you can see that, and we'll take it from there, guys. Thanks for hanging out with us. I know we're usually music-based content, but I think cool technology and things that we're going to use on the channel are relevant. Yeah, just a little bit of content for you. We're going to do a special video. Might even use this phone to do the special video for us hitting 10,000 views. There's going to be a lot of special content rolling out once we get post 10,000 subscribers, that is. So get excited. Next video we're going to do with a new phone is we're going to do a little walk around of this Jackson Lava Crackle. This thing is really awesome. It's signed by Mr. Grover Jackson. It's number 21 of a limited run of 100. USA made, baby. So that will be the first video we do with our new phone. Where is it? Oh, I can spot it easily because it's got a white case. Beautiful. And I'm also going to do a big walkthrough. We haven't done a walkthrough in like 2 years from when we first moved in. I'm going to do that and show you what our facility looks like now. It's very exciting. All right, guys. I'm out of here. I'll see you soon. Thanks for joining me on my new phone unboxing video. I hope it helps you make a purchase decision. Highly recommend this case. I'll show you my old case, actually. Where is it? It's embarrassing. I think I got this for like £2, $2 on... Yeah, it's got all my credit cards and stuff there. But yeah, this is my old case that has taken a beating. It used to have a flap with a magnet. That broke off a long time ago. You can see how rough I am. And you can see how thick this case is. So yeah, night and day difference. Awesome. All right, guys, I'll catch you all later. Thanks for hanging with me, and cheers for 10,000 subscribers. I know we're gonna make it here probably today. Later.